said, do you know Ibadan, Lagos Expressway? We are in all the bush there. We're everywhere there. We're also in the south. So we are waiting for the slightest signal. We will finish you people and take over this land. So they claim that Nigeria belongs to Fulani. If any day they see the president, they will chew him. It's their brother that they have disappointed them and disappointed Nigerians. They will chew him raw. Or any of his representatives, they will chew him raw.
You are welcome to DriveTv. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss out any of our latest video.
Òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run kan rèé o tí orí kó yọ lọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúlàní agbébọn lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n san 100 mílíọ̀nù owó náírà ìyẹn 100 million naira. Fọ́nrán tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ló ṣàfihàn bí òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run olórí ìjọ Orthodox bí ó ṣe sọ ìrírí rẹ̀ lórí bí àwọn Fúlàní ajínigbé àti agbébọn ṣe ìkọlù sí òun àti àwọn mìíràn. Òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run bíṣọ̀bù yìí ló máa mórí bọ́ láhàámọ́ àwọn ajínigbé lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n gba 100 mílíọ̀nù owó náírà fún owó ìdóòlà ẹ̀mí.
When I said to the Oga, how do you collect this money? He said, don't worry. Once we are through with you, we will invite motorcyclists. They will come and there will be a truck. A truck will come to put the money in the truck. And that the people who paid them said that was exactly what happened. Immediately they came out from the bush. They told them they were monitoring whether there is police arm. They said, go up. Okay, come back, come this way. And then eventually they stopped. A truck came without number. So the boys will carry one Ghana must go who put in the truck until they took the 100,000. After they have counted it, 100 million, they said, okay, you can go.
Ẹgbọ́n ohun tí òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run náà sọ nípa ohun tí ojú rẹ̀ rí lásìkò ìkọlù náà àti ìrírí rẹ̀ láhàámọ́ àwọn ajínigbé ọ̀hún.
They divided themselves into 3 places. Some people were at the back, some people were at the center, those who shot, who fired at us. And there was another group in front to make sure that we didn't run away. They fired shots at our vehicle and eventually they abducted us, 3 of us. The communication man of the church was able to escape. The driver was able to escape. They captured me. The Bishop of Owerri and my chaplain took us into the bush and were torturing us. In fact, it was in the process of that torture that I hit my right eye on a tree. And even when blood was flowing and it was soaking my handkerchief, they didn't feel like anything happened. All they said that we should follow them, that they are not actually against Nigerian citizens, they are against the government. That the government is a bad government. They are Fulani boys. All the 8 are Fulani. That they are Fulani boys, and that if any day they see the president, they will chew him. It's their brother that they have disappointed them and disappointed Nigerians. They will chew him raw. Or any of his representatives, they will chew him raw. Well, I said, well, even though I'm part of government, but I'm a church man. I'm a man, Christian. I'm not a government official. They say, okay, that is what has saved you. We would have killed you outrightly without asking for any ransom. But now that you're a church man, let's go inside the bush.
Bishop ọ̀hún ní níṣe ni wọ́n pín ara wọn sọ́nà mẹ́ta ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Ó ní àwọn kan dúró lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n sọ àwọn, tí àwọn kan sì wà láàárín tí wọ́n kọjú ìbọn sí àwọn, tí àwọn mìíràn sì wà níwájú láti rí dájú pé ẹnikẹ́ni ò rí ibi sá lọ, tí wọ́n sì tún yin ìbọn mọ́ ọkọ̀ àwọn. Ó ní ẹni tó jẹ́ olùbásọ̀rọ̀ àti awakọ̀ òun, ìyẹn PA àti driver òun nìkan ni wọ́n rí àǹfààní láti mórí bọ́ níbi ìkọlù ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ náà. Ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n sì jí òun àti àwọn méjì míì gbé. Òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí wá tẹ̀síwájú nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀. Ó ní wọ́n kó àwọn lọ sí inú igbó tí wọ́n sì tún fi ìyà jẹ àwọn tí wọ́n sì lu àwọn ní ìlú ẹni lu bàrà. Ó ní látàrí ìfìyàjẹni ọ̀hún ni òun ti fi ojú sọ igi kan nínú igbó náà tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ sì ń jáde pòròpòrò ní ojú òun. Kódà àwọn ọ̀dájú ènìyàn ọ̀hún wọn ò ṣe bí ẹni pé àwọn rí ẹ̀jẹ̀ tàbí rí òun pé òun fi ojú gbá nǹkan kan.
Now, at a time they said we are delaying them. My bishop of Owerri, they laid him on something, and somebody raised knife that they are going to cut off the head. Now the blood will spill on me, and then I'll know they are serious. The other one pointed to, I said, "Don't kill. Is it money? We will raise the money for you." So, but the irony of it, what pained me most, was where they were situated. The soldiers, all of Fulani extraction, Nigerian soldiers, they were there at Lomara Junction. And these boys were going behind them. Meanwhile, they kept their cows somewhere, numbering about 200, somewhere, down, with some people, and they're all together. The people were taking care of the cows, but they were, parading us in the bush until finally they settled somewhere. They said, when are you bringing the money? I said, by 12 noon, I will call the people I contacted whether the money had been raised. And I called them. They are gathering the money, and they had it. They said I will use my phone to talk, that they can't use their phone. They don't want to be tracked. Because if they use their phone, the security forces will track them down. And I used my phone, I negotiated. I told my people, they say we are raising money. Somebody mentioned we have raised 30 million. I said, SOC, please, any money in the office, life is more important than money. Transfer it to a certain account. Let's pay them that 100 million. And eventually, by 3 p.m., they say, call your people. And I called them. The man that picked the phone said, we have raised 130 million. I said, please, give them 100 million.
Ọ̀dájú àti ìkà ni àwọn ajínigbé àti àwọn agbénipa wọ̀nyí. Àfi kí Elédùà kí ó gbà wá lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ó tún fi kún ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí ọ̀hún ló jẹ́ ẹ̀yà Fúlàní. Ó sì ní àwọn Fúlàní agbébọn ọ̀hún wọ́n ti sọ pé àwọn kò dojú ìjà kọ àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà bí kò ṣe ìjọba Nàìjíríà làwọn ń dojú ìjà kọ. Ìjọba Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n sọ pé àwọn dojú ìjà kọ. Kí wá ni tí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà láìṣẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń jí gbé lójoojúmọ́ tí wọ́n sì ń gba òbítíbitì owó lọ́wọ́ oníkálùkù. Èyí kù díẹ̀ káàtó. Ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run kò sí ní ọkàn wọn rárá àti rárá. Òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí wá fi èyí káàdì rẹ̀ ńlẹ̀. Ó ní àwọn Fúlàní agbébọn ọ̀hún wọ́n sọ wípé ìjọba Nàìjíríà jẹ́ ìjọba búburú. Ó sì tún sọ wípé àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí ọ̀hún ní ọjọ́kíjọ́ tí àwọn bá fi ojú gan ní ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ìyẹn Muhammadu Buhari, wọ́n ní níṣe ni àwọn ó pa tí kò ní rú fínfín.
They have a plan. And I accuse the soldiers who are not non-Christians. Some of them are Fulani. They are part of it. But they are shooting these men. When our people wanted to comb the bush, the soldiers said, if you move a step, we'll finish you. Don't go there. So they know where the boys are. They know the location. And what they do is in the daytime, they use their cow to confuse people. Then after some time, the cows will go to rest and they take their gun and do the operation of kidnapping. Government should act decisively. They should act decisively. Otherwise, what is happening in the northern part of the country will be a child's play to what will happen here. So government should sit up, because the primary purpose of government is to secure life and property. Any government that has failed in that has failed woefully. And Nigeria is on a reverse gear. We are nosediving. We are nosediving. We don't have security. All the bush we went around, no soldier, no police, nothing. The people, were having a field there. And where they released us was, if they kidnap people along Isukwuato, they will parade them round, and there, when they pay ransom, they are released from that particular spot. Those they arrest, they kidnap along Enugu Expressway, Log Banta, they bring them. Eventually, they bring them there to collect ransom. Those they kidnap along anywhere in the south, around the southwest. So they know that they are there. And I guess that when I said to the Oga, how do you collect this money? He said, don't worry. Once we are through with you, we will invite motorcyclists. They will come and there will be a truck. A truck will come to put the money in the truck. And that the people who paid them said that was exactly what happened.
Látàrí ìjínigbé, ìgbénipa àti ìgbénigbowó tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yìí, kí wá ní èròǹgbà tiyín? Kí ni ohun tí ẹ lérò wípé orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lè ṣe láti yọ nínú àwọn ewu yìí? Ẹ fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ yín ránṣẹ́ sí abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí àti àwọn fọ́nrán mìíràn tí ẹ bá wò lórí ìkànnì DriveTv àti pàápàá jùlọ lórí ètò ẹgbẹ́yẹ̀wò ní ìkànnì DriveTv láti tún jẹ̀gbádùn àwọn ètò ọlọ́kan-ò-jọ̀kan. Ẹ subscribe sí YouTube channel wa àti sí àwọn social media networks wa. Ẹ ṣé tí ẹ ń wò wá.
My name is Kïdnäpped. I'm a video director and TV producer of Akomolowe on African Magic. Keep watching DriveTv.
olólùfẹ́ DriveTv àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Fẹ́mi Sola ẹ máa wo DriveTv. Keep watching DriveTv.
My name is Wole Agba. Taking this time out to tell you all that you keep watching DriveTv. What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ ní ògo ẹ̀? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ fulfilment? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ bí tó o bá lọ? Ó ní iṣẹ́ rìn. Ibi ni kò máa wò DriveTv. Thank you. Kí ló wí?
DriveTv, driving you around the world.